Levels, it's cells part 2, and today we'll be looking at investigating cells. The size of cells. A typical plant cell may be about 0.1 millimeters in diameter, and an animal cell 0.02 millimeters in diameter. Prokaryotic cells are smaller, often about 0.002 millimeters long. To describe the size of cells and subcellular structures, scientists use units that have different prefixes. Here is a key point you would want to know. The size of cells is often written in micrometers, e.g. a plant cell may be 100 micrometers, an animal cell 20 micrometers, and a bacterium cell 2 micrometers. Using microscopes to look at cells. It is not possible to see cells as separate objects using the naked eye. The ability to see two or more objects as separate objects is called resolution. The light microscope was developed in the late 16th century and gave a greater resolution than the human eye. It allowed scientists to see plant, animal, and bacterial cells. Some subcellular structures are even smaller than the resolution achieved by light microscope and cannot be seen using this method. In 1933, scientists first used an electron microscope. An electron microscope passes electrons rather than light through the specimen and can give much better resolution. Cells can be seen in much finer detail, e.g. the structures inside mitochondria and chloroplast can be studied, and this has helped scientists to find out how they work. Ribosomes can be seen, and their role in making proteins can be studied. Calculating magnification. When a microscope is used to look at cells, scientists will often take photographs or produce drawings. These images are many times larger than the real cell or the structure. The magnification is how many times larger the image is than the real object. Here is an example of where what I've just written down and explained actually comes into play. Back with the key point you might want to write down. Magnification is not the same as resolution. Light microscopes can be built to magnify more and more, but after a certain point the images do not get any clearer. Okay, it's quiz time. Make sure to pause now to do this question. And pause now to review this question. And pause now to read the answers since I'm getting lazy. Levels, how'd you do? It's credits, you know the drill. For this video, it's just thanks to the makers of Collins AQA GCSE Revision Combined Science Triology. See ya!